Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Herkese merhaba, ben Seda. Hi everybody, my name is Seda and welcome to turkishclass101.com. Hepiniz hoş geldiniz. Nasılsınız? In this video, I will be talking briefly about possessives. İyelik zamirleri. Possessives are used for expressing possession. In other words, to say that a person or a thing belongs to another person or a thing, or is connected with another person or a thing. In English, we know them as my, your, his, her, etc. and mine, yours, his, hers, etc. Now we will look at them in Turkish. First of all, we have three aspects of this subject. 1. Possessive suffixes. 2. Possessive adjectives. 3. Possessive pronouns. What are the possessive suffixes in Turkish? This is the 1. Singulars, im for my, in for your, I for his, her, its, and the plurals, imiz for our, iniz for your, leri for their. I gave you the basic forms, but remember the vowel harmony rules. The vowels of the suffixes change according to the word they attach to. Let's try the word araba. Car. Araba means car. So, arabam. Arabam. Arabası. Arabamız. Arabanız. Arabaları. My car, your car, his, her, its car, our car, your car, and your car, etc., etc., etc. Even though we have separate possessive adjectives, you don't have to use them since you have to use the suffixes anyway, and the suffixes give the whole meaning. But if you want, you can add the adjectives as well. But don't worry, I will explain those in a bit. This is the second part of the subject. Let's see. Possessive adjectives. They are benim, my, benim, benim, senin, your, senin, senin, onun, his, her, its, onun, onun, bizim, our, bizim, bizim, sizin, your in plural, sizin, sizin, onların, their, onların. So let's use the first example and use it together with the possessive suffixes. Benim arabam, my car. Benim arabam. Senin araban, your car. Senin araban. Onun arabası, his, her, its car. Onun arabası. Bizim arabamız, our car. Bizim arabamız. Sizin arabanız, your car in plural. Sizin arabanız. Onların arabaları, their car. Onların arabaları. So as you can see, we added the possessive adjectives before the nouns, same as in English. Whether to use the possessive adjectives or not is up to you, but you have to use the possessive suffixes. That's not an option, okay? So keep this in mind. Possessive suffixes are mandatory. Possessive adjectives are optional, okay? Now, let's see the third and the last part of this subject. Possessive pronouns, okay? Benimki, mine, benimki, seninki, yours, seninki, seninki, onunki, his, hers, its, onunki, onunki, bizimki, ours, bizimki, bizimki, sizinki, yours, sizinki, sizinki, onlarınki, theirs, onlarınki, onlarınki. So, in grammar, possessive pronouns are used to cover the possessive adjective and a noun combo. For example, instead of saying my car, one can say mine, right? My car, mine. Of course, in the dialogue, people should know what you're talking about, but if they do, you can just use it as mine instead of my car. Instead of benim arabam, we say benimki in Turkish. Okay? I have one maybe a little confusing note here. Even though the proper form of the pronouns end with ki, in daily life we tend to omit it, delete it. So instead of saying benimki, we say benim for both adjectives and pronouns. Let me give you an example so you understand better. Bu kimin arabası? For example, a question like this. Whose car is this? Bu kimin arabası? You would answer this question either my car, benim arabam, benim arabam, or you can say mine. Whose car is this? Mine. Benimki. Benimki. Benim arabam or benimki. This is the proper version. But in daily conversation, we also just say benim. Like my. My. It's like benim. Bu kimin arabası? Bu kimin arabası? Benim arabam. Benimki. Benim. Three of them is, they are okay. So the basics of the subject is covered. Let me give you some examples, some sentences before I go, so the information sticks more, okay? Onun gözleri çok güzel. His eyes are beautiful. Onun gözleri çok güzel. Onun stilini çok beğeniyorum. I like her style. Onunkini çok beğeniyorum. I like hers. Onunkini çok beğeniyorum. Bizim evimiz geniş. Our house is large. Bizimki geniş. Ours is large. Sizin köpeğiniz çok büyük. Your dog is very large. Sizinki çok büyük. Yours is very large. Bu sizin geleceğiniz. This is your future. Bu sizin geleceğiniz. So, I think that's it. It's not that complicated. You just have to remember and memorize the words. We are done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them below and use the comment section to practice together. Okay? Don't hesitate to help each other and correct your each other's mistakes. And write a lot of sentences. So we'll practice, practice, practice. I will see you next time. Görüşürüz. Kendinize iyi bakın. Bye.
Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.